Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 18 divide 3 plus 3 multiply 2. Okay, now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, so PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. Okay, PEMDAS, P means parenthesis, E means exponent, A means multiplication, D means division. Both have equal priority. Okay, A means addition and S means subtraction. Also both have equal priority. First priority parenthesis, second exponent, third multiplication and division, fourth addition and subtraction. Okay, so in this problem, here is a one division, here is one addition, and here is one multiplication. So multiplication and division have first priority, and also multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so 18 divided 3 is equal to 6 plus 3 multiply 2. Now here is addition and here is multiplication. So first priority is multiplication. Okay, so 6 plus 3 multiplied 2 is equal to 6 is equal to, now 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Therefore the correct answer is 12. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.